Hey YouTube, guess what we're going to do today? We're going to swap out this outlet with a USB adapter, which looks kind of something like this. Whoop. There we go. Let's get it back into focus. There we go. See? Just like that. So that way we can plug two USB cables in and get power to it so we don't have to suck up another outlet. So let's get started. First off, you want to make sure that the power is off. Notice that there are no lights here, and you do that by securing power at your circuit breaker panel. Plug that, unplug that. I'm going to take your multi-function screwdriver and take it off. Take the outlet cover off, like so. Oh, I forgot to bring some tape, but that's okay. I'll get that later. Not required in residential electrical outlets. I like doing that because it just makes it easier for me when I'm getting in there later on. I don't zap myself. Swap back over to your Phillips head. Kind of awkward to do this, but we'll get it. Takes a little practice, but you'll be able to get to where you'll be able to move it. Oh, look at that, YouTube. We've got two powers, two neutrals, and one ground. You notice in here, the grounds are pigtailed together. So what we're going to do here, we do take our handy dandy little sharp object, better known as a knife. I'm going to cut this off, like so. Like that. And then we're going to disconnect our outlet. Now, you don't have to worry about the directions, which direction or which poles these go to, because I'll explain that when we get ready to set the new switch up, or the new outlet up. But because we're going to have to trim off the stuff, trim off the hooks so that they'll fit into the outlet. Now these outlets that I'm swapping out with, I got at Lowe's. There were 2-pack for $15. So, not a bad little deal. There we go. So look, we have our outlet out. You want to take your wire cutters. You want to come in here and you just want to trim them off. Like so. Like so. This wire here is 14 gauge wire. So what you do is on your wires, you look for the 14 to 16 and you line it up on the 14 to 16. Get this little clip, boop, comes right off. You want to trim about half to 3/4 of an inch or so, just enough so when we set it in the new outlet, you will be able to clamp it down. Now see, if you look at this outlet here, right here, that's where the wire is going to go, right in there and there. Drop my viewer. So, and then you got a brass and a silver. It's really easy, is that the brass is where the black wire goes, black, brass, white, silver, and then this is your ground. So we need to trim that ground off. We'll grab our trusty wire cutters. Trim that off. Oh, neighbors are deciding to mow their grass today. So then I'm going to come in here. Straighten that out just a little bit. There we go. So come in here. Excuse me. Slide our ground in. Yeah. Neighbors are looking for their child. Whoa! Easy there, YouTube. Kind of had a malfunction there. Let's see if we can get that in a little better position. Then we're going to... There we go. Just tighten it down. Like that. And then we're going to roll it over on its side, starting at the bottom. Going to feed our 2 white wires into the silver side. Grab our screwdriver, and we're going to tighten it down. And tighten that down. Then we're going to grab our black wires, or better known as our hot wires. Feed them in there. Get in there. Oh, I didn't want it to come out. So, make sure that's in there. Kind of working at an odd angle here. As you can see, I'm working at an odd angle. Stuff's falling on me now. Uh-oh. Let's go ahead and pause this real quick. Alright, YouTube, we're back. Technical difficulty there, but the battery died on the old GoPro, so we had to swap it out. So now, let's go ahead and... I'm just holding these wires to in there. There we go. So now, let's reposition. Do a little camera reposition here. So that way when I grab the wires, you'll see. There we go. Just tighten them down. YouTube. Give it a little twist. Oh, see? That's why I always give it a little twist, just to make sure nothing's going to fall out. It did. Let's reposition here. Let's see if we can get a little better angle on this. It works a lot better when you don't have a whole lot of stuff around. Loosen that up a little bit. It does sit in there just a little bit more. Twist, there we go. Push it back in the hole. the box. Come back with our little get that started there. Come down here. Let's get repositioned here. See what we're doing. Down, make sure it's set. Swap over to the front. Grab your outlet cover. Slide the outlet cover on. Tighten it down. Take our little handy dandy little adapter, plug it in, no power. Give me 2 minutes and I'll be right back. Alright, YouTube, I'm back. Look at that. We've got our two orange lights and no red light, which means we're correct. So now, what we can do now we just take our handy dandy little USBs, slide them in there, slide them in there. Got a plug here, and we have our plug here, and look at that. Now we are set. That's pretty cool. Well, YouTube, thank you for paying attention or watching, and this is Canvas. Canvas, if Canvas can, you can. Like, comment, and subscribe down at the bottom. Have a wonderful day, YouTube.